All right.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
I missed the quizzes where there was only 10 questions.
I know, it's crazy. Okay.
Okay. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? It's a simple random sample and X is normally distributed.
Is this, oh, independent samples. Okay, wait, yes. Yeah, it's the same. So it's simple random samples drawn, yes, and X is normally distributed. So it's the first two.
Yeah.
Yes. Test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means, the independent samples is t-score, right?
Yes.
Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group one determines. No, tells you nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All right, let's open this guy. U1 be the mean bill. Idaho Falls. Circ. Okay. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill there is less than the mean bill there.
I don't know why mine takes so long.
Okay, so we have to sort it. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to do a sort.
Okay. I know, so much work. Okay.
It's better than doing it by hand, though.
Yeah, it is. You're right.
I hope the rest of the chapters we just have to do it on SPSS.
I know, true.
Probably won't be the case, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so looking for performing hypothesis data represents a simple and simple dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls.
City.
Oh, this one really gives us too. Okay.
So, oh, good. Okay.
Okay. I'll do that again.
Should we just go through it together?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just did the first step. It's
Transform,
automatic recode. And then you click the city.
The city's the variable that we make a new name, right?
Yeah. And then city code.
Okay.
And then you click add new name, click OK. And then it's alphabetical. Okay, now analyze, compare means, independent sample test.
Okay, so the Dennis rule is the test variable. Define groups.
And still is grouping variable, group code. City code goes in grouping variable. Click define groups. 1 is 1, 2 is 2. Okay, independent sample test box. Okay, so now it's what is the degrees of freedom? 996.
Oh, wait a second. Oh. Oh, the degrees of freedom. So, is it equal variance is not assumed?
Yeah, the bottom one. They said always use the bottom one.
Okay. So 37.996.
Yep. What is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg?
Rexburg.
Oh, it's right there. Okay, so it's
06.
206.637.
Yeah.
And what is the test statistic? That is negative 4.34. Oh, what am I saying?
I was going to say
0.43. Okay, yeah.
Point. So I make sure I have that. Okay.
Negative 0.434. Okay. P-value.
666.
Okay, it's single. It's a single. Is it single? Let me see, because it's just.
Oh,
so we need to divide it.
Do we do that for this too? Okay.
Yeah, because this says the answer for two-tailed. So.
You are right.
333. Wait. Okay. We'll know if that's wrong, but I think that's what we have to do. And what is the correct? Okay, so.
Invite from Mary.
Oh wait, what?
Oh my gosh.
What? You got a message?
Yeah, from Mary.
What did she say? She's coming on?
But she didn't get an invite. No, I did it.
Dang it.
It's okay, we'll have to just catch her up, I guess.
Yeah. 0.333. And the level of significance is 0.1.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. 3 is bigger than 1.1.
So reject.
So fail. If P is low, reject. So if it's higher, we fail. Yeah.
Reject. You're right.
Yeah.
I should know that by now.
I know, I have to think about it every time.
I do. I have to think about it every time. You're like, hey, which one is it?
Hi, Mary.
Hello. How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Sorry, we thought you weren't going to come on because Derek isn't coming on. And we hadn't heard anything when I sent the invite, so I'm sorry.
Oh, I didn't. I just saw an email from you saying it was a group meeting, but I didn't see a link to it. And I sent a message. I don't know if you.
Yeah, I just got the message.
Yeah, I'm glad you messaged because we were starting to get going on the quiz, so we're a little bit into
Oh,
it, but we can go back to the beginning now that you're on.
Yeah.
do you all have a number or something in case of sometimes when the internet doesn't work?
Yeah. My number is 801-368-4274.
Okay.
It's a good idea, actually. What's your number?
682-557-9572.
Oh, good. I can text you then next time.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So if you want to go into the quiz, then we can go through it with you, the first few.
Yeah.
Okay. You're on number 3?
Yeah, we can go through it with you for. We're already at 10, but we'll just go back and go through it with you soon.
I have, for number 3, I have the first one and the second one.
Yeah, that's what we had. Perfect.
T-score for 4.
I think it's, are you there? I think it's T-score for number 4. What do you
Yes,
think? Okay.
I said, I think
Um,
I am
yeah,
going
T-score
out
sounds
or
right.
something.
Yeah, you froze
And
for a
5,
second.
for 5, I have the first one, knowing which subject will be in group 1 determines which subject will be in group 2.
I don't think it is because it's talking about if the samples are independent. I think it's the second one. Do you?
Okay, yes, I agree.
Okay.
I clicked the wrong one.
Hopefully we'll have to go through this test and submit it and then be 100% on all of us. But I don't think that's ever happened before, has it?
Yeah, I think it has.
Oh, in the beginning.
In the beginning, yeah. Well, it hasn't happened in a while.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to open the data file, Mary?
Yes.
On SPSS?
Well, I have it open. I just couldn't input when I input the information.
So
Yeah, it's tricky.
It was a blank T-score.
It's tricky. You have to do the whole,
this is the
what is it
automatic.
called? The automatic recode.
Yes, I did the recode, and
Oh.
I don't know if I information in right or not.
And then
So
after you do, yeah.
On the recode, let's see, what do you do for the recode again?
Would you go to transfer?
Transform, yeah, and automatic recode. And then the variable you're moving over, I don't even remember what it was.
Moving over, so in the variable box, you're going to move over Dennis Bill.
Dennis Bill, yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay, I did that.
No, we want the city for the variable, sorry.
Is it? No, it's, I think it's not.
Yeah, because we're changing the name from this for city to city code.
Yeah, but the first one is the variable, isn't it? Oh, no, you're right. Okay.
Yeah, that's for the hypothesis test. So for this one, we're changing, and then in the new name box, you're putting city code, and code is in all caps. And then click add new name. And then okay. That makes sense?
Yes.
It's so funny. Even though we just did it like 2 minutes ago, I'm still like, I have to look at my paper.
I know.
I do.
So then you'll have all of the cities will have a number 1 or 2 next to them. Does yours have that?
I don't see anything right now. Just okay. Maybe.
So when you go back to the file, that has all the rows and stuff that you started with.
Okay.
And then you have to do analyze and compare means and independent sample t-test from that.
And so in that box, do you put dental bills?
Yeah, that one is a dental bill. And then the code goes into the grouping variable box, the one with code, city code. And then just have to name them 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. And that should be it.
It's not cooperating.
SPSS, a lot of people have problems with it.
I think it just slows down your computer a lot.
Yeah.
It won't go now. Well, I was able to put the dental bill in, but it's stuck on the stick.
Did you get to define groups?
Groups.
Yeah, on that last one, when you put in the, moved over the dental bill and moved over the city code, and then you click define groups. And that's where you put group 1 and you label 1 and group 2 and you label it 2.
Compare me. I'm gonna try it again because it stopped working.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so city code goes down here. I can't get it to change that because earlier I was trying to work. Okay, I still get a warning. I don't know what's going on.
You get a 1? What do you mean?
A warning.
Oh, warning.
Well, the t-test. Yes, the t-test. It has a warning message, so I don't know.
Oh. Well, do you want to use our data? We both computed it in our SPSS, and you can use ours if you want to, if yours isn't working.
Okay, because I can't go back and I was trying to get it to work earlier and it kept giving me that message.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the ones that we came up with for the degrees of freedom, it says 37.996.
Okay.
And the next one, it's for the Rexburg standard deviation. It says 206.637.
206.637. Okay.
And the test statistic, it says negative 0.434.
A negative 0.324.
No, it's negative 0.434.
Okay.
Okay, so Mary, we kind of had a little question on this one, but on the, when it comes up in the box with sig two-tailed and it gives you the number, we decided we were dividing that in half because for the p-value, it's just one-sided on this one. So when we divide that in half, it's 0.333.
Divided in half, okay. Okay. 0.33.
Yeah. Perfect. That's where we were. And then
Based on this.
Okay. Are you ready to move on, Mary?
Yes, I was looking at number 10.
So since the sigma is 0.10, the p-value is greater than that, so we had that we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay. Did you offer number 11? Are you all on 11 yet?
yeah, that's where we stopped.
That's where we stopped. So is it we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different, or
I think that's what it is.
That's what I was thinking.
That the dentist bill between the cities are the same. Okay.
Well, we fail to reject the null, which basically means we accept the null, which kind of means equal works. So it's insufficient that they're different, right?
I know. I was just trying to remember.
I think it's
what
second
side
one.
you were
I know.
trying to.
It always confuses me every time.
Okay. So should have started opening this a while ago.
Yeah, I just saw it too. Okay, let me close my other dental office one.
Yeah.
Because
Let me see, can I get that one?
throw me off. Okay, let's see. We don't need this for the first one.
Okay, so you suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if your suspicion is correct. The null hypothesis is
Second one.
that U1 equals mean 2.
Then not equal.
Is going to be not equal.
Right, that's what I put.
Yeah, not equal.
Okay, now we can analyze. Okay, gosh, here we go again.
That's okay. This is going to be easy, Rosalie. We got it.
Yeah, that's true. We got it. Okay, good. Okay.
Freshman dinner.
Way
Let's see.
last week.
Give it automatic transform automatic recode. Okay.
I almost forgot about that. I would have been bad.
Date, and it's gonna be.
So you are to transfer, compute, wait, automatic.
Transfer, then automatic recode.
So how, it said put the variable in, one with the variable, so that would be.
So that's the state, because there's two different states. So you want to decide which state you're looking at.
Okay.
That's the variable. Is it Utah or Colorado? or whatever. So you put state and then put state code and add. And then it's always alphabetical. So 1 is Colorado, 2 is Utah. And then,
wait a minute.
analyze, compare, independent. Grouping. One, two. Okay. Yay.
Okay, so a test statistic, I have
Negative.
negative 0.845.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Negative 0.845.
Yep.
Okay, I still can't get this to work.
Oh gosh. That's
Okay, so
frustrating.
did you get the automatic recode? Did you get that part?
Let me download it again. It's just being iffy. So maybe I have too many of them open. Okay, transfer to automatic recode. You put state in the variable box. And you all said state code and the new name.
Right.
Yeah, so you type it in and then click add new name and then hit OK.
But you put code in big letters and caps.
Yeah, that's what I did. Just so you can spot it easy.
Add new name. And you say OK. When do you add the 1 and 2 to the groups?
That's when you're doing this the t-test.
Oh, okay.
So it does that for you on the automatic recode. So when you look at the spreadsheet that has all the information on it, it should have a 1 or a 2 next to the states.
Okay, so then I have to go to the analyze it, right? Okay, maybe that's it. Analyze, right. Compare. Maybe doing an independent sample test.
Yeah.
Which one do you put in the test variable?
The variable is the freshman.
Yep.
And then the grouping is the one you just made, the state code. And then make sure you click, what is it called again, Rosalie?
And then you have to click define groups.
Okay.
And that's where you put in 1, yeah, 1 and 2.
Put 1 for group 1 and 2 for group 2. And then click continue.
Okay.
And then OK.
That should work.
Okay, it's working. Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh my gosh, I'm glad. You would have been in a world of hurt on your test, like on your individual test.
Yay. Okay, so what is the test? Let's see.
So do you have negative 0.845? It's always the bottom one.
Is it? What did they ask for? The test?
Yeah, T on that very bottom thing.
The two column.
Zero, well, a negative, well, negative 0.845.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and the p-value is 0.410, right? We're not dividing.
Yeah, we're not dividing it because it's just not equal. So it's both tails.
Yeah. So then I have failed to reject the rule.
Yeah, that's what I think it is too. Fail to reject.
I'm not sure how to do 16.
Oh, I know this one.
Is this
Okay.
where we're subtracting the lower and upper or something?
Yep. So we add them together. I mean, we subtract, we find out the difference, and then we divide by 2.
Okay, so we're subtracting
Yeah.
negative
So it's
5
going to
point
be
blah, 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 from 2.2.
That information is not in that on SPSS.
No, it is, but we
95.
look all the way over to the right, and where it says 95%, it's in that same t-test box, but it's all the way over to the right.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So the confidence intervals, yeah, we subtract, so it's going to be negative 5 minus 2. It's coming up with negative 7, and then you divide that by 2.
So is it we're subtracting the upper from the lower, not the lower from the upper?
It doesn't matter. You could do either way, because one gets a negative number and one gets a positive number, but it's the same. You don't use the negative or positive. You're just trying to find out where they split the difference. Okay, so I got negative 3.670675. So if I did it the other way, then I said 2.20401 minus, which is actually plus because it's negative 5.13734 equals, and then divide by 2. 2.67. It's the same number, but it comes out with a negative sign one way and a positive, but you just drop the sign. Do you get it?
Okay, so you got 3.671?
Yeah.
Yep. But 3.671.
So it's a negative, right?
No, it's not negative.
It's not negative?
You don't need the sign. Yeah. It's just saying the margin of error. So how many points it goes across? It goes across 3. It's not positive or negative. 3.
Oh, okay. But my calculator is saying it's negative.
I know. It says negative just because of the way we did the math. But on this, you drop the sign. 3.671. Yeah. I mean, it could be positive or negative. Both of them are right. That's why on the homework it said plus or minus, because it's plus or minus 3 either way. Okay, input the lower. Now that one you do have to put the symbol. 5.
Yeah, negative 5.137.
Yep.
And then the upper
2.204.
I'm going to submit mine.
Okay.
You already have an answer? I didn't get the last one.
Oh, it's right at the bottom on the t-test box in SPSS.
Where it says the 95.
Yep.
We got
Lower than upper. 100%?
Yeah.
So we're doing the negative 4.995 minus the 2.062 for the last.
No, you're doing the bottom. the bottom ones, the
You
negative
just
5.
punch it in. You don't have to calculate it.
Yeah, so it's already giving you the lower and the upper. So the lower is the negative 5.17,
Okay. Well, I think I put
and
in
the
the
upper
wrong
is the
thing.
one.
100%.
I'm slow here.
No, that's okay. We want to make sure you submit yours too, and we'll get them all in there.
Okay, so number 16 was 3.671. Okay, and so you all put in.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had too many windows open. So the lowest one is a negative 5.137.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one is 2.204.
Yeah. Awesome.
2.204. Okay, I need to go back and put all my other ones in. I wrote them down.
What other ones do you need?
Oh, I don't need them. I wrote them down. I didn't put them in to the box and onto the computer. 6. So that was 37.996. Plus 206.637.
Mm-hmm.
Number 8 was a negative 0.434.
Yep.
9 was 0.333.
Yep.
Was a negative 0.845.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm submitting. I hope I saved them all.
Yeah. Even if you
Honey.
did you get it?
Question 14, it says I'm missing.
Oh darn.
Oh, I didn't do the number 14.
14 for p-value. Yeah, that one is the sig two-tailed on your t-test box, 0.41.
0.41?
Yep.
It's 0.41 or is it 0.041?
No, it's 0.41.
Okay. I closed mine. I was just making sure.
I know, I had to look again when you said that.
Well, I didn't mean to close it. I like swiped my fingers. And I have a Mac, and it like took me to a new page, and I can't go back.
Oh yeah.
I can't see my answers anymore.
Yeah, I still have mine up.
It's just take time. Okay, my one is going crazy.
So next week, Monday is Halloween.
Oh, yeah.
So
Well,
I
I
don't,
mean, I'm not doing anything, but I don't know what everybody else is doing.
yeah, I probably have stuff. I don't know.
Next on Sunday and see what everybody's doing, and then if we need to, we can move it to Tuesday.
I think I missed one. 11, where I think I clicked the we have sufficient evidence that the mean distance bill between the two cities are different. It was supposed to be we have insufficient
Yes.
evidence that the mean distance. Okay, well, I'm good.
Yeah, so write down all your answers, head and write, and then go change that one the second time and submit it. But I have to go. I have to meet with another.
Okay, I'm good.
Group.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you all.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. See
So
you.
I'll post this for everybody, and then we'll text about the meeting next week.
Perfect.
Okay,
Okay. Bye.
Bye, guys.
bye-bye.